I'm so excited. I've been waiting for so long. 4 years ago, I bought this property and I've been waiting. And today's the day. Today's the day. Oh, I'm gonna zoom in. Hopefully you can see this. I've been waiting. Today's the day. Today's the day. Okay, you YouTube friends, hopefully you're gonna be able to see this. Oh, it's not a very good picture. Oh, I was hoping I'd be able to get a better picture than that. That's my first moose I've seen on my property. Or it's actually not on my property, it's across the lake in Crown Land. Maybe he'll come over here. Maybe I need to do some moose calls with my phone. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm going to do some moose calls and see if I can get him over here. That's awesome. Thank you for visiting my channel, Off Grid Living with the Bennetts. I'll talk to you in the next video.